Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video I got a pair of Fuchsias at my local outlet. I think the size is 3.5Y or 4.5Y, and we're basically going to go there and cop that pair. We're going to use 15% off and maybe additional 20% off Nike discount. So we're going to get these dunks around $80 to $70, which is going to be a really good deal. Hopefully we get in there and get there in time to scoop this pair, so you guys will get to see that in this little vlog type video I'm going to do, since that's really what this is. It's just a vlog for, picking up some pairs of Fuchsias, since you can see I already got some pairs right here that I've sold in daily deals, so I'm going to ship those out. But we're just going to go pick up an under retail pair, because why not? And that'll be a good topic for this video. So if y'all want more content like this, check my Instagrams down below, any of that. Oh, and just quick interruption, if you guys haven't, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Just trying to like 200 likes on this video. That'd be cool, but on to the next. And y'all could do the exact same thing right here. Check your local area with in-store monitors. So check us out down below. We have free ACO coming for the Travises today, so you guys can check that below. Try it out with the free trial, 7 days right there, or just join their waitlist directly and become a member today. See everything we offer: under market deals, backdoors, daily giveaways, one-on-one bot support, free ACO, and then the botting classes to even teach you how to bot. Exclusive guides, exclusive brick flip calls, you name it, we got it all. So I hope to see y'all there, and let's go cop some under retail Fuchsias. Why not? That's what we do in Hype Labs. As you guys can see, we're shipping out some daily under market deals today. That's what we do. But aside from that, let's go get those Fuchsias, because $80 Fuchsias any day, sign me up, I'm there. So let's go. Oh, and I know you also saw the daily deals again that we're shipping out. We ran some retail LNFs in the group this week, so don't sleep. Size 11.5 and size 8, I'm gonna be getting ordered around.
All right, you guys, so we're about to head to the outlet again. 20-minute drive. We got some gas in the car. We're nice and ready. Here's what I meant, but you guys can see we are ready to go. Let's get it. All right, we're back, baby. I don't think anyone really looks like they're here, which is good. We can pick these up, get them for like 80 bucks or so. So let's see. And here we are. They're probably just opened, but they're right over there. You can see the logo, so we'll see. To be honest, what am I expecting? I'm expecting them to be gone, but we can hope for the best.
Here we are.
Oh yeah, boys, we got them. Fuchsias for 76, craft 4s, size 4Y, 130, dub. All right, so we're gonna get back first and then we're gonna review, but we got 2 pairs, craft 4, size 4Y, Fuchsia, size 3.5Y. I'll let y'all know what I paid and all that, we'll get back. But those are in here, you can see 3.5Y Fuchsia, exact one from the monitor, and then a 4Y craft, which I didn't even check for, but I'll take it. Here are the crafts so y'all can see, 135 for these, not bad, but market, we can sell these on the market in deals for like 110, so it's a win. There we go, secured. Let's unbox them now. Pretty happy about that. Shout out Nike.
All right, so we are back from the Nike outlet, and as you guys can see, we got the pairs right here. So first things first, we do have the Fuchsia Dunk Low right here. This is the size 3.5Y from the outlet. I know why someone would return this. There isn't really much profit on it. If you were selling it to apps, it would really make no sense to get this, unless you had something like a 15% off code, which I was lucky to get. So I paid around 85, I think, for these, around 85. So not a bad price. Pretty happy about that. And you guys can see we have the exact Dunk Low from the monitor right here. Now, I personally think these are going to be a great hold for the future. I've mentioned this multiple times. This isn't one of those sizes I would really hold on to, but again, if you're getting them for like 80 bucks at your outlets, feel free to check them, which again, we can definitely help you with that with our in-store monitors in the group. So feel free to check us out down below. You can even try the free trial and use that feature for free if y'all want to, just for a little bit, for like a 7-day free try, and cancel at any time. But just one thing I thought I'd mention to you guys, we do have the Fuchsia Dunk Low right here, which we got for way under retail price, which I'm very happy about. Again, under retail is a good day any day, so I mean, we'll take that. And these are a dub, because it's going to be a very popular dunk come summertime. I know the prices are a little bit lower right now, but that just kind of to be expected with the grade school dunk that had so much stock, and also demand is high, but it isn't super high, so you have to keep that in mind. It'll be a good play for the future, but right now, patience will be key with this one. So I'm glad we got it straight, cooked from the outlet, and hopefully there'll be more soon, because I'll be back. If there's more bigger sizes, I'll be taking, because 3.5Y isn't the best size, but it is one, so thought I'd show that to y'all. Great hold for the future. Fuchsia Dunk Low under retail. And we also got another Dunk Low, not Dunk Low, but another thing under retail right here. You guys can see we got the Jordan 4 box right here, and this would happen to be the Jordan 4 crafts that we got for you guys. I got these for, I think, I'm trying to think of how much I paid. 127. I think it was 127 on these. So again, you guys can see size 4Y. No real quality issues or anything with this sneaker, so that's kind of a nice thing to see. Y'all can see the original sticker and all that, you know, straight from the Nike store. I didn't even check the monitors to see what these were, see if these were on them. I just kind of saw these were there, and I was like, oh yeah, I gotta grab these because any grade school 4, I almost dropped that, but yeah, any grade school 4 that you can get at a discounted price is gonna be a good bet for the future. I mean, $130 for these. I mean, I'm paying under retail. I could definitely find a buyer. That's just one thing I thought I'd point out. And most people aren't going to go to apps to check grade school sizes, you know, and their pricing if you're selling local. So just thought I'd mention that. But another pickup that we got right there, we got the size 4Y, you know, Jordan 4 Craft, which again was from the in-store monitors, and we cooked that. So I'm very happy about, you know, what we did today at the outlets. You know, we got our crafts, which was a decent pair again. I might just hold on to the crafts for the future. You know, I'm thinking about getting a couple craft grade schools, thunder grade schools, things like that for the future. But I'm probably just going to, you know, wait, you know, on those pairs more or less. But this one right here, definitely thinking these are a good bet for the future. So definitely going to rack up on pairs of these whenever they keep hitting my outlets. I'll get more and more. So just one I have right here, 3.5 wide, paid $80. So definitely a hold. That's all I'm going to say. Definitely holding on to these because I'm going to start kind of, you know, like stacking sneaker inventory again. So, you know, why not, you know, start it with this pair, $80 Fuchsia Dunk. I mean, that's a good way to start it off. So good hold right there. Why not? And these are going to be a good play at the summertime. Yeah, I see these hitting around 150, 160, and then, you know, slowly cruise into 200. But it'll take some time. Again, 100K plus stock on a grade school dunk. That isn't low stock per se. Or I might run these in Hype Labs for like $60. We'll see. But yeah, pretty simple work at the outlets today. We can show you how to get, you know, discount codes in our group down below. Feel free to check out the free trial. We can show you how to do exactly something like this. Check for your Fuchsias with their monitors, and again, get those 15% off codes, how to get them for free, things like that. The basics to that. And yeah, that's pretty much all I need to say. So let me know your thoughts on the Fuchsias. Again, we secured a pair under retail. I think, again, these are going to be a great play for the future, mainly in sizes 5Y through 7Y. But if you're willing to wait long term, maybe you got some pairs discounted, why not hold on to them for the future? But this is probably one I'm just going to sell and deal off because now that I think about it, it's really not a good bet to hold on to, you know, this small of a size, because if they're hitting outlets consistently, then some people are going to sell them off and, you know, just tank the price lower. So I'm kind of thinking about that, but might be a hold. So just thought, you know, thinking about it. But I hope to see you all on the wait list or no, or on the free trial down below. Again, whatever you prefer. We got a giveaway coming soon for some Travis Phantoms whenever we hit 500 members. So stay tuned for that, guys. Very, very close to that. And yeah, that's everything I will mention. So hope to see you guys down below in the next video. In the comments, let me know what you've been going for recently. You can check my how-to copy yesterday for the Travis lows as well. Hope you guys don't miss out on that. This is going to be a very, very competitive and good drop to go for. And subscribe and like if you want more. Let's try to like 200 on this video. That'd be great. But that's everything I've said. I think I'll also put that at the start of the video. If not, oh well. But I'm Tristan. Thank you guys. And hopefully I'll catch you on the next one soon. Peace.